Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Can't send or receive messages on Grindr? Let's fix that step by step so your chats work smoothly again. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are on Wi-Fi or have strong mobile data. Open a browser or another app to confirm your connection is stable. Second, force close and reopen Grindr. For that, open your settings, scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Grindr. And simply tap force stop at the bottom right and reopen the app and check if profiles load. Third is to clear cache. On the same page, scroll down and go to storage. And here tap clear cache and reopen Grindr. Fourth step is to log out and log in again. For that, open Grindr. Tap on your profile icon at the top left, scroll down and go to settings. Again, scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap log out at the bottom. And then log back in to refresh your session. Fifth step is to update the app. Go to the Play Store or App Store. Use the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to your search engine. Search Grindr. Locate the official app and tap update if available. Also, don't forget to check Grindr permissions. For that, go to settings and find this option called apps. Use the search icon at the top right. Go to permissions and make sure permissions like location, notifications and network access are turned on. Simply toggle it on. Seventh step is to reinstall Grindr. Uninstall the app, reinstall it from the App Store and log back in. Your chats and profile will be restored. If it's still not working, try messaging a different user to see if the issue is with one specific chat, or contact Grindr support from their official website or help center. And that's it. Your messages should now send and receive just fine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.